In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a long AI content in Filmora. We're going to combine an AI written script, an AI voice, batch visuals, and timeline editing so you can build long videos, faceless content, or AI narrated explainers that look polished and hold attention. Start by planning your format. Decide whether this will be a YouTube video in the 5 to 20 minute range, a short series for mobile platforms where each piece runs about 1 to 3 minutes, or something more narrative like a story, documentary, or explainer. Then create your script with an AI writer and break it into clear sections, an intro that sets expectations, a body with your key points, and a concise ending. This structure will guide both your pacing and your edit. Next, generate your narration directly in Filmora. Go to text, then AI text-to-speech, paste your script, and choose a voice style that fits your topic. Formal narrator, male or female timbre, or an emotion-based tone if you want added personality. You can export the audio or place it straight on the timeline so everything stays organized from the start. Now build your visuals, which is the core of long AI videos. You can import stock footage like nature, city, or people clips and mix in AI-generated images or videos you've created elsewhere. Or stay inside Filmora using its AI image generator and the AI video generator if it's available in your version. Keep your assets grouped by section so it's easy to assemble. Sync your voice and visuals by dragging the narration onto the timeline first, then matching each visual segment to the lines it supports. Cut clips to follow the script's rhythm. A helpful rule of thumb is 3 to 7 seconds per scene to maintain viewer engagement without feeling rushed. Enhance with Filmora's AI tools. Use AI Smart Cutout to remove a background for overlays, AI Audio Denoise to clean your voice, and Auto Reframe to quickly adapt for vertical or horizontal formats. Add AI-generated music or subtle background tracks and balance levels so narration remains clear. Keep retention high with motion and text. Add gentle zooms using keyframes, apply motion tracking to attach labels or captions to subjects, choose clean transitions like fades or swipes, and generate AI subtitles. Review and adjust timing for readability. Structure your long content with a hook in the first 10 seconds, a brief intro by 30 seconds, repeating main sections with strong visual storytelling, then a summary and a clear call to action. When you're ready to export, choose MP4, set resolution to 1080p or 4K, use 30 FPS for smoothness, and a high bitrate for crisp detail. The pro workflow is simple: AI script, Filmora text-to-speech voice, stock and AI visuals, timeline edit, motion and captions, then export your long-form video.